Okay, and all right, so inside this bin, this one is different than the last three that I've been using. In case you guys are curious about all of these, this is an oversized stamp container from Close to My Heart. At least that's what it used to be called, as a stamp folder. And it's got the Close to My Heart label on the back. That's why I can remember it's Close to My Heart, because they put it right on the back. But it is just one huge giant pocket for papers and whatnot. And again, I use these for when I go and used to do crops a lot more than what I do now. I think I only do about 3 a year now. But they're perfect for smaller collections, and knowing that I have a few of those photos and I want to take a few pieces instead of my entire collection bin. So anyways, that's what I use these ginormous pockets for. So what we are playing with today, Janet and I have picked out the brand new, oh my gosh, I am so stoked to use this kit up, to be honest. And again, we picked up another collector's essential kit because, like I said, they are a bang for your buck. Honestly, you can't go wrong with one of these kits. It's a one and done purchase, in my opinion. You don't need anything else, but this is perfect. And this is the Simple Stories Simple Vintage Lakeside collection. We bought the whole collection because I couldn't say no. That was my fault. It's all on me. So this one here is the Collector's Essential Kit, and I wanted to share with you guys really quickly what all came in this kit. I kept some pieces in, and I think I took some pieces out. Did I? No, I did not. I usually only take out the washi tape if it had any in there. There was no washi tape. So, hang on. Sorry about that. Let me slide that over. I do not need that anymore. So from this vintage piece, you get the entire paper pack of papers. You also get the 12 by 12 sticker sheet, as well as what looks like the bits and pieces, another either chipboard or foam. I'm not really sure which one. And then this one here, oh, it says it right here. The words are right here. I'm guessing, and the words are right here. Anyways, so you get the entire paper collection, the 12 by 12 cardstock stickers, these ones here, oh nope, it went to here, Simple Pages page pieces, that's all this right down in here. This one here is the chipboard stickers, the 6 by 12, and these are the nature bits and pieces. So you've got the bits and pieces, and that's it. That's all I see on these ones. The other ones are chipboard. So oh no, it's right here. These ones here are vintage bits and pieces, nature bits and pieces, nature bits and pieces. Oh my gosh. So confusing sometimes. Doesn't really have to be. Okay, so this here is the page pieces. So it's just got a really good title, really great little embellishments and whatnot, and then of course they show you guys how to add them to a simple page. Love it. Love those, you guys. It's just perfect. Here are the nature bits. Lots and lots of animals and critters, a couple mushrooms and leaves. Oh my stars. I love that. Okay, then I've got the 12 by 12 or 12, that's just weird. Oh, I'll show you this anyways. The 6 by 12, which feels huge, chipboard stickers. Okay, love it. Oh my gosh, love it. And then of course the 12 by 12, no, that was 12 by 6. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to say 12 by 12. Here is the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. Now see how they have it just straight? This would just be perfect if it was the watercolory look. I'm just saying. So there is the sticker sheet, and these are just cardstock stickers. They're not chipboard or anything like that. Okay, I don't need that anymore because I already shared with you guys. Now here, this one here is Take New Trails, and it's this beautiful aqua color. Almost looks like the 49 and Market Sherbert Spectrum paper, almost. Okay, and then the other side you've got like this collage map print that's got papers taped to it. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Then we've got Nature Story. I love this, you guys. Oh my gosh, I love this. Now my papers got a little dinged up, and I don't know if it was because I put them in that pouch, or if they came that way, I don't know. It's not going to bother me very much because it's either going to get cut up or put in an album, and it won't matter. I'm okay with that. Okay, Nature Story. The other side is this beautiful black print. Oh my stars, look at that color. Oh, I love it. Explore and Discover. Isn't this? I love this. Look at that plaid and the distressing in the plaid. Oh, like a worn shirt. And then the other side is this cool little frog with a dictionary print and you know, butterflies and dragonflies and fern leaves and all that good stuff. You guys can see what it is. Love that. And that one was called Explore and Discover. I already said that. Love this place. It's this beautiful, almost looks like my aunt's kitchen is what it looks like to me. Like a wallpaper. Yes, it does. And then the other side, whoop, that was 2. The other side is this beautiful striped piece. Oh my goodness, look at that distressing. Oh, I know, it's vintage. It's simple vintage. I need to keep that in mind before saying all that stuff. This one is called Great Outdoors, and it's got this beautiful moose and boat and shoes. Ooh, I love it. Love, love, love it. And the other side is this awesome, awesome wood grain with these trees and bear and moose sticking out of them. Oh my gosh. So, so cool. A little bit of matte print in there too. Oh my gosh. This one's Catch of the Day. And I actually have some really cool fish that a friend of mine sent to me. So that's going to be perfect for this layout. Okay, sorry. And I like all the different, I don't know, wordy things behind the fish. That is so cool. And then the other side is this beautiful collage of canoeing and kayaking and whatnot on red. Or actually it's orange. It's more of an orange color. Like so. Then we have Relax and Unwind. And again, it's printed on wood print. And it's ducks with cattails and whatnot. Little bugs in there. And the other side is this beautiful print. I love this print. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. On Lake Time. So we've got a little mom duck and her chickadees. I don't know if they're called chickadees when they're little ducklings. Are they ducklings? I'm not really sure. And then the other side is this beautiful green distressed with a print on the, so it's green on green print. So very, very, very subtle. I like that too. Journal elements. So you've got lots and lots of different, I love the different sizes. Like these ones are really skinny. This one's really long. This one's really, really squatty. I love this. So cool. And the other side is mushrooms. Mushrooms, mushrooms going on there. Okay. 3x4 elements. Got all the different little, and you can even cut apart these or use them as filler pages. So cool. And the other side is butterflies. Look at how vibrant those butterflies are. My gosh, how awesome. Then we have the 4x4 elements. Again, you can use these as filler pages or titles. This one's a great title. Oh my gosh. And then the other side is this beautiful collage print. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely. 4x6 elements is the last page I have for you guys. And then I have a few extras that I want to share with you. But again, great titles, great cut aparts, all that stuff. Cut apart this and just use it as a border if you want to. Oh my gosh. And then the other side is this beautiful yellow again, and it's got a tone on tone with that almost weedy looking flower. I'm not really sure what flower that is. All right. So we have those. I have another, this is the banner cardstock stickers. So this whole piece is one giant sticker, but then all of these words inside are stickers inside. So the frames are blank, so you can add photos and whatnot behind them. Then you've got a smaller one, medium one, and another large one. So really super cool. And I struggle with these, so I put this in here so that way I could, you know, play with it and get used to it and whatnot. Then we have, from the Solids collection, we have Trail and Lake Blue. So the Lake Blue, we've got 2 of those. So it's this lighter blue color, and then on the other side it's this beautiful brown color. So that's our cardstock. And this one here is Aquamarine and Fern. We've got 2 of those as well. Look at the distressing on that. That is so cool. And then we've got the green on the other side. And only one of these sandstone and gravel. So, oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. I love this. And the other side is this beautiful orange. It's like a rusty orange color. Okay, so that is that. And then in addition to the extra papers, we also got extra embellishments because I went a little crazy and had to have everything. Just saying. These ones here are called Bits and Pieces. And I have right here, they're like tickets and labels and tags, just different things other than just images. I love how versatile all of that stuff is. Sometimes when you just have images, you feel like you're missing just one solid thing to rest the eye. We've also got the layered stickers. One of the things I love about these layered stickers is each layer is printed. So if I wanted to take this duck off and have 2 ducks, take it off and then the duck is still printed behind there. So I really like that. So I have more than one sticker if I didn't want this many layers. Okay, I have that. I also have the sticker book, which is, oh, here we go. Lots of things. Tiny word stickers, wood rounds, labels, oh, alphabets. Oh my gosh, loads of stuff to be playing along with here. And it's 1 of each sheet, so that's even better because then I don't have to worry about having multiples of something and then not use it up. Cardboard or chipboard clusters. So these chipboard clusters are already pre-done inside, so I don't have to worry about the layering or anything. It's already done for me. I just grab which one I want to use and slap it on a page and it's all done. Oh, love that. This one here is the faux brads. So I've got all these little brads and then of course all these chipboard elements to be using with it as well. Love these. Oh my gosh, there's one in that plaid. Oh, in that plaid. Okay, and then we've got the frames, the Lakeside frames. So you get 1 of each of all of these frames. And then this is just a sample of what it looks like with a photo inside. Okay, lots and lots of elements there. And last but not least are the foam alphas. Or not, well, they're not alphas. They're just stickers. Just lots of foam stickers. I love Simple Stories foam stickers, you guys. They're good, solid foam. So it's almost like cardstock on top of foam. I love it. So there are those. Okay. And that is the collection that I have for you guys today for this week. I look forward, oh my gosh, I so look forward to playing with this kit this week. Again, it's going to be on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays that I have committed to doing layouts for the week, but any additional layout that I do, I will try to pull out this kit and use this kit instead of coming in with something different. So I'm looking forward to playing with this kit. I really have been trying not to. In fact, I put it away as soon as I got it because I knew I wasn't allowed to look at it until right now. So anyways, thank you so much for hanging out with me today and checking out what kit I will be using for the week. I cannot wait to see how Janet uses this kit as well. I'm curious to see where she goes because her outdoor layouts are always fantabulous when she comes up with outdoor layouts. So anyways, again, thank you so much, and I will see you guys tomorrow for the first layout using this kit. All right, see ya.